Today we have the 2022 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 64,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a hybrid speed pipe. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are leather. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access 4-Pass Connect, valet mode and voice control, mobile apps, navigation, Bluetooth and emergency assistance. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC.